Hello everyone, and welcome to another Hot Wheels video. And today I'm going to be showing you the Hot Wheels Ultimate Car Park set, which comes with loads of different ways to play. I've preloaded the car parks with loose cars, so I'm going to be showing you the many different ways through which this car park can be used and play with. And I'm going to start at we'll start at the top. You've got two lifts on either side. By pulling this lever, you can basically bring the lift up to your floor of choice, load the car, and then take it all the way down. Either go this way, or I guess you could probably load it the other way and go that way, or straight down through this barrier. Now, if you can see there, I've left this flap open because that's where the batteries go. It has a sound feature as well, so let me just turn it on and I'll show you one of them. So down here we've got the fuel pump. If you press on this, it'll make that sound, and on the other side you press again on the till. It's a mechanic's yard. So quite a cool feature. Down here we have the helicopter, which can be used to basically, let's put that down there, just grab a car and take it with you. Very quick release, very simple stuff. I also have this button here for the helicopter sound effect. So if you press it again, you have the blue lights going on. There's another sound effect down there. So if you put load the car through the back there, and once it activates the flap, it starts this police siren. Let's move on. Let's put this right back up there. You've got a spiral on this side and then a racetrack that goes from the top level here and all the way down there with a finishing line, which is operated with an elastic band to show you exactly which lane won. Quick release. You can basically load the cars on either lane. See, it already moved, so the next one will go straight to the lane that's supposed to. And then a quick release here will basically show you that the car on the left hand side won. You just push them back down and you're ready to go for the next race. Let's come back here. You got a mini loop here as well on this side. So if we take a car and run it from this level, you can see it go straight through the car park. I'll do it again so you can see it. So the only problem is once it comes down this lane, it basically hits that bit there, as you can see. Never mind, there's another lift here. So let's just take the car up to the first level. The loop is right here on the right, and down it goes. Right now, up here, you've got this loop on this side. And we've got basically two options. You either run it through the shark's mouth and potentially have it bitten or caught in his mouth, or switch to this lane and you can add track and it'll safely come this way. Let's just see. It is quite random, so it takes, let me reactivate it, and let's run some cars and see if either of them gets caught. Boom, there you go. got caught immediately. It usually takes a couple of spins before. This one got away just fine. Let's run another one. That's fine because I forgot to activate it. Let's have this Batmobile go down. There we go. It didn't quite. Alright. Again, safe. Let's try it again. Nothing there. Trying to make it catch the car. Let's see if we do one pass. Nothing. Push it back. Another pass. Caught. So let's try it like that. So that's the first pass. Caught it immediately. So it's quite random. And then if you run it on the other lane, it'll basically just come down here. There's a hidden garage here, so you can park a car quite nicely in there. And back here in the mechanic's garage, if you open this little door, you can park another car right in there. It'll basically push it back out. Right, so let's run a couple of cars. A very interesting feature I found about this is that if you look closely on the sides, they've left a couple of options here, so you can remove these and basically just add track to each level on both sides. So that's an interesting feature. Just pop them back in. It's a very cool playset, so it's basically up to you to create your own car park. You can add more track on this side as well by removing that, and then furthermore you've got that's already added. The helicopter is quite a cool feature. No sound effects. You can just go basically grab a car and then just load it in there. I think it's a very cool set. So let's have another race, see who wins. I'm going to run one on that side, and the finish line there is armed. Left lane 1, you just push these down, you're ready to go. You can see there's an elastic band that kind of activates both of them. As soon as one of them gets touched, it snaps, it goes up. One simple pull and you're ready to go again. So I think this is an amazing set. Loads of different ways to play with it, and like I said, you can add loads more track to it on the sides there. You can run more track this way, this lane, that lane, and there's one over there, and another one running around the back, one more over there, and then the spiral is up to you. So let's just bring this. Oop, I forgot there was a car there. No worries. Park that there. Bring another car here. Actually, let's have it face the other way. Reverse onto the lift. Go either all the way down, whichever floor you want. Let's take this one. Go to the spiral on the right. down you go. I think it's a great way to play, and you can fill up your car park with cars, and that's one of the reasons why I left these lanes. Although there's a car park number, I've left them empty, specifically to show that you can add a track from each floor on either side and there, and you can probably extend this to like a massive car park. It is huge already, but like I said, you can add loads more to it, and I think it's a great set from Hot Wheels and an amazing way to enjoy your Hot Wheels cars, both by having them displayed in a multi-story car park, or just having a little bit of fun with the sound effects. Let's play that helicopter again. You've got that. You've got the flap down here, which basically imitates the sirens. You've got the mechanic here and the fuel pump there. So that's pretty much it. That's all of the features. I'll do some other sets as well, so please subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos, both Hot Wheels and other brands. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.